Good evening, friends. My name is Janil Sakya, and my ID number is 25CE104. So, my digital electronics project is a Smart Dustbin using IR sensor and logic gates. So, first of all, understand what is a Smart Dustbin. A Smart Dustbin is an automatic waste bin that open its lid by itself when it detects a person or object nearby. You no need to touch the dustbin with hands. Use an IR sensor to detect the object. Use logic gates to decide when to open. A servo motor open and close the lid. Clean, hygienic, and fully automatic. Um, so first of all, understand what is IR sensor. IR sensor stand for infrared. It is a main input device. Basically, the smart dustbin work in three stages. First is the input, second is process, and third output. Input as a IR sensor detect hands, and process logic gate decide, and output is a motor open lead. Um, what IR sensor work? Basically, the IR sensor has IR LED, LED, and photodiode. Send invisible lights. It send invisible light and receive a reflection if the object is detected. The sensor detect and give the output as a signal. If signal is a 1, that means high. It means object is detected. If signal is 0, it means low. It means the object is not detected. The IR sensor is a main input device. Now let's understand how logic works in smart dustbin. So here we use three types of logic gates. First is NOT, second one is AND, and third one is OR. So let us understand NOT gate. Uh, Basically, a function of a NOT gate is the invert signal. Okay, let's understand why we use NOT gate. Uh, Main IR sensor many times give a low when object is detected. So we need to NOT gate to convert it to high. If sensor output is 0 and after NOT it convert it to 1. And second one is AND gate. Open LED only when both conditions are true. IR detected object and power is on. Here you can see a truth table of AND gate, which is property of AND gate. And next one is OR gate. Open lead if the either sensor 1 or sensor 2 detect something good for bigger dustbin. And here you can see a truth table of OR gate, which is characteristic of OR gate. Let us understand how a circuit work. First of all, IR sensor, NOT gate, and AND gate, and motor driver, and servo motor. Step by step, IR sensor detect your hand. Not get flip in signal, and get check all conditions. Motor driver powers up. Servo motor open the dustbin LED automatically. Here, servo motor is a device when LED when lead open to 0 to 90 degree. Um, Let me tell you here which are the component is required. First one is IR sensor module to detect a hand object near or object near a dustbin. And second one is NOT gate, which IC is 7404. It invert to sensor signal. Third one is AND gate, which IC is 7408. And its work is a final decision to input a lead. And next one is servo motor SG90. It is physically open the lead. Then power supply, which is 5 volt, powers the whole circuit. Then breadboard plus wires connect all component. Let us understand how the smart dustbin actually work in a real world. So first one is detection. You bring a hand near a bin. Higher sensor detect our output as a signal. If output is 1, then lead open, and the output is 0, it means low, the lead not open. And its sensor give low, not convert to high. And decision and gets check object is object 1 system 1, then and then your output is 1 and dustbin is open. Here you can see advantage and real life use cases of smart dustbin. You no need to touch the dustbin hygienic. Uh, Reduce the spread of germs and bacteria. Very low cost to build, easy to understand and make. Can be used by kids, elders, and hospitals. Work with basic logic gates and IC. You can also see real life use cases as the place: hospital, hotel, malls, smart homes, schools, office, etc. Thank you for watching this video.